Hi, thank you for coming by Yarn again. My name is Teresa, and I wanted to share Merry Maxim Monday with you. This is very recognizable yarn and a cowl, I am sure, because this is the November kit. I have this kit. The other kit for December I did not use because the patterns are a little more advanced for myself, and I have to give that some time. We may see that soon, next December. I'll be honest. So this week I thought I'd share the amount of yarn that I do have left, which is, this one is about, I would say, a little less than halfway. And this one, which is more than halfway. And the reason I have two partials is because my brain said I can't make this beanie out of this yarn. I clearly could have. But now I know for next time, because I'll probably be making another beanie. So I made this beanie to match my cowl. And I'm thinking of putting a pom-pom on it. That pom-pom. What do you guys think? Pom-pom? No pom-pom. Pom-pom? I am in my late 50s, so am I too old for a pom-pom? Oh, you guys help me, okay? And because I have that much yarn left, I made a pair of matching fingerless gloves. These patterns are just something I learned like 12 years ago, and I just double crocheted my little brains out, got to a finger, shoved a hole, skipped the chain 5, skipped the stitch. You all get it. And I did the same thing with this one. Double crocheted all the way, chain 5, skipped a 5, moved on. This is a chain 5. This is not a chain 5 hat. That's silly. This is a double crochet hat all the way down to the front and back posts. I thank you for stopping by. And here's my cowl. I got the whole set. And I put it in a little bag, throw it in my tote bag, so when I go out, if it gets cold, I have it. I appreciate you stopping by. If you can, leave a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't, and share it out so I can get some subscribers. I do appreciate it. I do hope you have a beautiful day.